All welcome friends on my channel. In general, friends, in this video we have a review. In general, friends themselves, draft, already on your Twitter, mentioned Binance itself, so I think that it needs to pass any awards can be very beautiful means. Friends that we need see us. Now we're going to get through this. Test fly on link in. Posted comments and see friends. This is the window. Welcome to the DOP. TESTNET we tick here and prescribe here your friends. Email and press lets the test begin, then friends look like. This is my office now. What? We are friends in your account, by the way. Should be in the network, say you testnet some. The coins are test. Yes, since now on one resource where can take watering limit is over this. Yes, you can make the registration for infra. I leave a link to this resource in anchored comments here. Just register ordinary friends and writes here then in your window. Kitties and but they say that so far they are very many have been given away and so far cannot give away. So if you do not have with, and I can help you with that, your wallets of your MetaMask in, comment me too. I'm going to throw in a penny of these tests tokens for the passage of this shadow in. That's not going to be a problem. I'm going to give you help pass this test if you have. There are no Sepolia tokens. So friends, see what we then will be necessary. Make this assignment number 1 Twitter. We skeet friends our Twitter. Then we naturally enter into the bottom their Twitter account. Let's try to pass togethers. This is yes friends, and after you wrote the mail to such a nuance, we here click Cree wallet, come up, password, and see your friends later. Phrase to restore her account. Be sure to save your friends in a notebook on the computer. Doing, by the way, this test on a computer only because, and very convenient since there's a phrase, it will need to be kept in notebook here. Keep making sure it's true. Have verif there. You will need in set the word order, this phrase that is the first word, which are the second word, and so on. Friends all confirm this phrase. Press we see already here. Here's your, you copy the key to and enter the password. Friends click unlock. After that, friends click on the button start metamasks our friends. There must be a network naturally, so I click on further. So the watering net I probably already have has been exposed. Looking friends that we here we have a horse. Twitter, take over Twitter. You see we press follow. I have followed done. Yes friends and friends. I advise you to connect immediately. Night should be set for this. To need a friends, PCA is a must because without wiping can make a mistake. And let's see the mission. Number 2 on A press. Knack here thinks you. It was me. Did because I already had an STR on. So friends, before performing, Theta who have no tokens throw your. I'll throw in your purses on the STR account so that you could pass this without any. No problems looking for there any feet for sat down and so on. You just right away pass this test and you will expect drop from this project on friends clem. TESTNET DOP. Click on my everything, and as we pass by our MetaMask, here we naturally sign. You see the transaction which are on O3 poly. Picks up we sign the transaction. Expect ours token test. So test tokens we got. Move on friends stamp test tokens. USDT press all sign through. Test network. Sepolia. Sign. We're expecting a 5th assignment. Get started here friends. Choose our DOP UD tokens here. Enter I on. Insert. Confirm, and so all friends successively. So it goes first. Here approval, then pops a window already with confirmation. Now confirm the test. Ours transaction is already taking more. Field confirmed everything. Waiting for just like this writes us that it all work out by pressing OK. Go on friends as asset click get started. Also take to uni take for example 100 coins extra account. Choose friends. One of these should be written. Press us here. Not always displays it. There you have to several times. Your purse grabbed. All friends here. Again we confirm all this action. It's like this. It's like this window. We press OK. Friends in the last item click here. Also choose to friends write to well that's 150 coins. Enter password which we reaffirm again in meta of that. Our end we see already. Our link is invited. Yes click yes. Here we go. Here we go. Our progress. 87 why 87 because they are here. Say you need someone else. Invite well I think it's let's not say friends do it. You see 3 people you have to invite to fill in this progress before 100%. The most important friends are gone now. These steps someone can naturally there upon inviting greeting on We'll take these two tasks, pass through and stamp here. Friends. Points are after the stat. Friends, we pass GX company, it's 2. Here we take 150 points here. Take 100 points, but for some reason I have still not passed Telegram. This is the assignment. I joined him everything, but somehow he doesn't want to be tested well. The others. Friends, if you have the same problem, pass the rest of the assignments and click. Our points are all friends. That's how. Principle. Interesting, Bina.